Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am super excited you are here today because we are talking about a seating savior that is about to upgrade your work from home game without the hassle or high cost, the GABRYLLY PF Ergonomic Office Chair. If you're tired of sore backs after long desk days, chairs that feel like concrete, or setups that leave you fidgeting every 5 minutes, this adjustable gem is your key to all-day comfort and productivity. Picture sinking into plush support that cradles your spine, with a headrest that melts away neck strain and arms that flip up for easy scooting out, all while looking sharp in your office or living room. Whether you are grinding through emails, joining video calls, or sneaking in some gaming, this chair turns marathon sessions into a breeze, promoting better posture and fewer aches for under $300. No more budget blowouts on fancy brands that promise the world but deliver discomfort. This GABRYLLY powerhouse makes ergonomic luxury simple, supportive, and surprisingly affordable. Stick around because by the end, you will see why the GABRYLLY PF Ergonomic Office Chair is a must-have for remote workers, students, and anyone ready to sit smarter. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features that make this GABRYLLY chair a real standout. At its core is high-density foam cushioning wrapped in breathable mesh fabric that keeps you cool during those extended hours, with a contoured backrest designed to follow your spine's natural curve for targeted lumbar support. The adjustable headrest flips up or down and tilts for perfect neck alignment, while the seat height glides from 17 to 21 inches to fit desks from standard to standing setups. Armrests are fully adjustable too, flipping up 90 degrees for space saving and height tweaking from 25 to 33 inches overall, making it versatile for different body types. The tilt mechanism is a highlight, locking from 90 to 120 degrees for upright focus or reclined relaxation, with a tension knob to customize the recline speed based on your weight up to 265 pounds. Built on a heavy-duty nylon base with smooth-rolling 5-star casters that work on carpet or hardwood, it measures 26 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and comes in sleek black or grey finishes. Assembly is a snap, taking about 15 minutes with included tools and clear instructions, no fancy wrenches needed. It also rocks a 3-year warranty for peace of mind on the frame and mechanisms. Priced around $299, it squeezes premium adjustability into an everyday price that beats big box basics hands down. Okay, now for the straight talk. Pros and cons from hands-on testing in real office marathons, from 8-hour workdays to casual lounging. Pros first. Number 1, the mesh and foam combo delivers all-day comfort without overheating, hugging your back just right to ease lower pain. Number 2, the flip-up arms and headrest make it super adaptable for tight spaces or quick breaks, a game changer for small home offices. Number 3, the recline and height options fit most folks 5 foot to 6'4", promoting good posture without feeling restrictive. Number 4, easy assembly and quiet wheels mean hassle-free setup and smooth moves across rooms. Number 5, at under $300, it offers pro-level ergonomics that rival chairs twice the price, with durable build that holds up to daily use. Overall, it boosts focus and reduces fatigue, turning work hours into productive wins. Now, cons to keep it balanced. 1, the lumbar support is built in but not separately adjustable, so taller users over 6'2" might want a pillow add-on for extra curve. 2, the casters are smooth but can pick up debris on rough floors, needing occasional cleaning. 3, the recline stops at 120 degrees, fine for most but not full lounge for nap seekers. 4, the seat depth is fixed at about 18 inches, which might feel shallow for broader builds. 5, while sturdy, the plastic accents show fingerprints easier than leather alternatives. But here's the bottom line. The pros crush the cons for everyday users. If you need reliable comfort for work or play without splurging, this chair delivers big. It is not for extreme heights or heavy recliners, but for standard desks and dynamic days. It is a total upgrade that pays off in less pain and more gains. So, my recommendation, snag the GABRYLLY PF Ergonomic Office Chair today. It is the smart sit-down that supercharges your setup and saves your back. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your posture will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more home office hacks that make life easier, and give a thumbs up if this satisfies your curiosity. What is your biggest chair grip? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching, you stars. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.